Okay. And the recording has started. I'll quickly share my screen and then let me know if the screen is sharing. Let's see. Is it sharing now?
Yes, it's sharing.
Let's see. Okay, then it's fine. Let me quickly open up that. I think this 104 is the one that I'm looking for. Okay, then it's fine. It's fine. But wait, Gracie, you see that exercise number 7-8. We started there, the previous lesson, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we just did not do that B. Okay, then it's fine. Let me quickly check what you submitted here.
But I don't think I did these ones. I did the other ones.
Oh, yes. On your submission, you did the one from yesterday, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. No, then it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. How are we going to approach this, Gracie? Okay, then it's fine. For now, let me pick this one aside. And let's see. Let me pick it aside, Gracie, and then we continue on this one. I'm actually thinking about something now. Okay, then it's fine. Okay, then it's fine. And I saw what you did. Let me just insert a blank page there. Okay, so we might be doing some complicated stuff, Gracie, but trust me, I will try by all means to make sure that they are understandable. Try to make them easier. Maybe by starting with that first one, where on number 1, we are having 4x squared, where we minus 4. Okay, you see this one, Gracie, what we are trying to do is to make sure that this can be written as something squared. Already this is something squared, that is something squared. Do you agree with me if I say 4 is 2 squared, Gracie, even this one minus 2 squared? Do you agree there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means now it's a done deal because everything is to the power of that. So that means you can just say 2x minus 2. If you said minus, then this side it has to be a plus. Then this should be the end of it. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to number 2, Gracie, where we are having 8y squared minus 2. Can you see that one, Gracie? The question now is,
Yes.
can this be written as something squared? That 8.
Yes, sir.
Gracie, that 8, can it be written as something squared?
Yes, sir.
What will it be?
Can I quickly check, sir? 2 to the power of 3.
You see, so that means it can be written as something squared. So when I say something squared, I mean base, and then the power, can it be 2? It must always be 2 as your power. Can you see, Grace?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that means it can't be written as something squared. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Then we take out something as common factor. What is that number or that thing which can be common?
2.
Yes, so if we take it out, do you agree that we end up having 4y minus 1? Do you agree there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, then we have 2 in 2. This one, then we write it as that. You agree that 1 is the same as 1 squared?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it means we have 2. Then you just say that. It looks like it's a done deal now. That. I'm not sure if you agree there, Grace.
Yes, I do agree, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. We move on to the next one. Instead of blank page. And then, okay, let's jump on to number 3, where we have 2x squared minus that. Okay, let's see now, Gracie. Can 2 be written as something squared?
No, sir.
If it's a no, then we'll need to take it out as common factor. So what is it that can be taken out as common factor?
2.
Yes, then it means we take it out as that, so that we have that minus 25 there. So now, can you see? We now have x squared minus, this can be written as that, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then now it's a done deal. And that. Do you agree there, Gracie?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. I'm going to give you that number. Let's see. Wait. That number 4, Gracie, can you give it a try? That one. So you can, maybe on your side, you can quickly write it down, and then once you get to the final answer, then it's fine. You will just let me know what to write, and then I will write it. Did you get that one, Gracie?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. Let me know once you are done.
I'm done, sir.
Okay. How did you work it out?
Well, I started off by taking out a common factor number, which is 3. So I wrote 2 brackets. Oh, I mean 3 brackets.
Okay.
P squared minus 9 squared.
Okay.
And then my final answer was 3 bracket P minus 9
Okay.
close brackets, open brackets, P plus 9.
What's happening there, Gracie?
What do you mean, sir?
So you see there you are having 9 squared.
Yes, sir.
Yes, where is the 9 squared coming from?
Oh,
Mm.
mm,
Do you notice your mistake, Gracie?
yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. Let's quickly correct it. What is supposed to be that one there?
Sir, I don't think the common denominator, I mean, it's supposed to be 4, sir.
It's supposed to be 4 there.
No, 3. Sorry, sir. It's supposed to be 3.
Okay. And then what will be the next steps?
Then it's going to be 3 bracket P minus 3, close bracket, open bracket, P plus 3, close bracket.
Okay, so that means there it's not supposed to be 3, but it's supposed to be 9. There, Gracie, because 3 times 9 is the one that gives you 27. Then, before this step, that's when you have the one where you no longer write it as 9, but you write it as 3 squared. Can you see, Gracie?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Then it's fine. And let's see. Can you see that number 5?
Yes, sir.
5N, yes. Quickly work on that one, and then once you're done, please do let me know. And then we will therefore do the same, and I will write it down.
I'm done, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. Let's see. I will just have to rewrite it there. That okay. So what did you do there, Gracie?
So I started off by finding the common number, which was 5. So I said 5 brackets.
Wait, what's the original equation first?
5n squared
Hmm?
minus 20.
Minus 20, okay.
So I started off by saying 5 bracket n
And 5 bracket n, okay.
squared
Hmm?
minus 4.
Okay.
Then I said 5 bracket n squared
Hmm?
minus 2 squared.
Okay. Next step.
Then I 5 bracket n minus 2 close bracket, open bracket, n plus 3. I mean n plus 2, sorry, sir.
Okay. Okay. This is how you are supposed to work it out. Let's see. That one, I think you can be able to work it out. Also that one. also that one. Okay, let's jump onto this type. I'm going to do that number 9. You see that number 9, Gracie?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I will do that one to show you how you deal with this type, and then I will test you the next one. So there we have 12x squared y, 12x squared y minus 27y to the 3. Okay, you see this one, Gracie, can 12 be written as something squared?
No, sir.
No, okay. X squared is fine, but y cannot be written as something squared, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that means I will need to take out something there and then also that. What can be taken out as common factor from 12 and 27?
3.
I think it's 3. So that means I'll take out 3. I'll also take out y there, and I'll also subtract 1y there. So that means I'll take out 3y as common factor. Then I'll have 4x squared minus, what are we having there? Is it 9? Then y squared. Can you see there, Gracie?
Yes, sir.
Then it's done, because now everything can be written as something squared, because 4 is 2 squared. That one already is that squared. This one is that squared. So it's more like, Grace, we just want to be able to write everything as something squared. Whatever that cannot be written as something squared, then we take it out as a common factor. Does it make sense, Gracie?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so now it means we have a 3y, then it's a done deal. You can just say 2x minus a 3y, and then you have 2x. This side you can just say plus 3y, and then this is the end of it. I'm not sure if it makes sense there, Gracie.
Yes, sir. That makes sense.
Okay, then it's fine. I'm going to give you this one to try and work it out. Let's see how far you can go with that one, Gracie. So write it down, work it out. Let me know once you are done.
I'm done, sir.
Okay. Then it's fine. Let's see what you've done. And let me do this. Just make sure to start with the question itself. What number is that one? It's number 10, 75, 12. Okay. Number 10 or 12? Now I forgot. Is it 75 a squared
8 squared,
minus?
12b squared.
Oh, yes, 12b squared. Okay. What did you do there,
So
Gracie?
I said, I took out the common number, which was 3. And then I
Okay.
said 3 bracket 25 a squared minus 4b squared.
Okay.
And then I said 3 brackets 5 squared a squared
Okay.
minus 4 squared. 2 squared.
Okay.
2 squared
2 squared
b squared.
b squared. Okay.
And then my final answer was 3 brackets 5a minus 2b close brackets open brackets 5a plus 2b.
Plus 2b. Yes. That should be 100% correct. Okay. Then let me see if the next one. Okay, then it's fine. You can attempt this one, and then once you're done, you jump onto that one. Can you see those two, Gracie?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very quickly you can attempt those two, and then you will let me know once you are done.
I'm done, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. Think what I want to do now. Let me set a blank page and then you will start with the problem. Okay, the first problem, what was that number again?
11.
Okay, number 11. Okay, what was the problem?
X cubed minus 36x.
Minus 36x. Okay, how did you work it out?
So I started off by saying 4x
4x
brackets x squared
squared
minus 9.
minus 9.
And then I said 4x bracket x squared minus 3 squared.
Minus 3 squared. Okay.
And then my final answer was 4x bracket x minus 3 close bracket open bracket
X plus
x
3.
plus 3.
Okay, so now let's discuss a crazy. Why did you take out 4 as common factor? That 4, is it common? Do we have it there and there?
I only took out the 4 because of this 36. And I took out the x because it didn't have an exponent.
Because if you take out 4, it means it exists there and also there. So that means if we say this times that, it will take us back to there. If we say this times that, it will take us back to there. So it's like you are having 4 plus 6. So 4 plus 6, yes, we can take out 2. That means there will have 2, and then there we will have 3. Can you see there, Grace? Because if we say
Yes,
this
sir.
times this, it will give us 4. If we say that times that, it will give us 6. Then it takes us back to that. So here, because we don't have 4 there, then you can't take out 4 as a common factor. Can you see there, Grace? So that means
Yes, sir.
you just need to know what can 36 be written as in a form of something squared. How you do it, Grace? You will just say, what is square root of 36?
6.
Square root of 36, what is it? You say 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, then it means here you write 6 squared. Am I confusing you there, Gracie?
No, sir.
So do you now understand how you had to work it out?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you only take out x because it is common. You have it there, you also have it there. Then if you want to know how this can be written as in a form of something squared, you will always say square root of that number. Whatever number that you get, it means is that number squared. Okay, let's move on to the next one. And then the next one, what was the question again, Gracie? It's number 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's the question?
X squared minus 4x to the power of 4.
Wait, what did you say? You said to the power of 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. How did you work it out?
I took out the what's it called? I took out the x to the power of 2. I took out x to the power of 2 from the 4x to the power of 4. So I said x to the power of 2. Then I said x bracket x squared minus 4x squared.
Minus 4x squared. Okay.
Close bracket. Then I said um x squared bracket x squared minus 2 to the power of 2 x to the power of 2.
Okay, before we go far, Gracie, when you take out something as common factor, it means it no longer exists where you took it out, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you notice your mistake?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's correct it. How do we correct it?
Would it just be x then? Or would it not exist anymore? Would it be negative 4x squared?
No. You have invisible one there. You always have invisible one there.
Yes, sir. So
Yes.
it's
So,
going to
mhm,
1 minus
yes,
4x squared.
it's going to be 1. Just so that when you say this times 1, you know, most when you multiply something by 1, it doesn't change. It remains as it is. 1 doesn't change anything. Makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
And
Eh,
the final answer is
uh-huh.
going to be x squared
Okay.
bracket
Hmm.
1
Hmm.
minus 2x
Hmm.
close bracket, open bracket,
Hmm.
1 plus 2x.
Yes. This is it. Can you see how you had to work it out, and did you notice your mistake, Gracie?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Then it's fine. Let's see if we can get some more difficult problems. Okay, let's jump on to number 13. Uh, you see that one, Grace. And then can you also see that one there? Can you see those two, Gracie?
Yes, sir.
Yes, try to work on those two.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I'm done, sir, but I
Okay.
don't think I did it right.
Are you sure, Gracie? What if you moved it nicely, honorable member? Hmm?
I
Okay.
really don't think I did it right, sir.
Let's see. What is the first question number?
13.
30. Okay, the question.
3p squared
Okay.
q minus 48
Hmm.
q cubed.
Okay. Like
So I
that.
started off by saying,
Okay.
yeah, I started off by saying 3p squared q
Hmm.
open bracket
Mm-hmm.
negative 16 q squared.
Yes, no. I do agree there that the approach is wrong, but it's fine. I will have to train you on how you approach this one, Gracie. So it looks like the challenge, it is not knowing either how you take out something as a common factor. I think that is what the problem is, Gracie. So when you take out something as a common factor, it must exist there on this side of the minus and also on this side. So can you see that you took out P, but P, it doesn't exist there. Can you see, Gracie?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, that was your main mistake. And it wasn't only that one, but also this is how you work it out, Grace. You say this one being a number, can it be written as something squared?
No, sir.
No, then you will have to take it out as a common factor. So you will take it out as 3, then this side you will remain with something. What will you remain with there since you take out 3 as common factor?
Um, let me quickly just check what I wrote down. 16.
16. Okay, then it's fine. But this one of P, do we need to take it out as a common factor?
Yes, sir.
Why do we need to take it out as a common factor?
Because we need to minus the q to make it a squared.
Okay, so P, we don't need to take it out because already is to the power of 2 because we want everything to be to the power of 2. Can you
Oh,
see?
no, sir. I was saying the q.
Okay, so P, we leave it as it is, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, Q, we will take it out as a common factor, yes, because we can't write this as something squared. So that means it is 3Q that you take it out. Then what you remain with? You remain with P squared minus 16Q squared. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Then now it's a done deal because you do have P squared minus 16 is 4 squared, isn't it? Then you have Q squared. Can you see now everything it's in a form of a squared. Then it's a done deal. Can you see a Gracie?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So based on what we have done there, do you think that other one you've done it correctly?
No, sir. Can I please retry?
Yes, quickly retry it and rectify your mistakes.
Sir, with
Yeah, boo.
question 14, I kind of have a problem because there's an X on one side, but there's not an X on the other side. And you said we can't take something out unless it's on both sides.
Wait, which one?
Number 14.
Oh, yes, number 14. Okay. So you see that x is x to the 4, and that one, I think it's fine because x to the 4 is the same as x squared times x squared, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you can, instead of e to the power of 4, you can rewrite it as x squared times x squared. Do you agree there?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I'm done, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. Very quickly, let's see what you've done and let's see how you've worked it out. Let me just get my pen there and then instead of my page. Okay, and that one is number 14, which is 2ax to the 4 where we minus 58. Okay, what did you do there, Gracie?
I said 2a bracket x to the power of 2
Okay,
times x to the power of 2
okay,
minus 25
yes, okay,
bracket. Then I said 2a
mm,
bracket x to the power of 2
okay,
times x to the power of 2
okay,
minus 5 to the power of 2.
okay,
Then I said 2a bracket x times x
okay,
minus 5 close bracket open bracket x times x plus 5.
okay. So you see this one, Gracie, you don't need to separate it. You can just write it as x squared on this side like that. And then even on this side, you just write it as x squared. Can you see there, Gracie? Just like
Yes,
if
sir.
it was z there, if it was p there, you were just going to write it as z squared and then p squared, something like that. Z squared p squared, or zp there, zp there. So I'm just saying you won't need to separate it. You can just write it as x squared and then x squared there, because x times x is the same as x squared. Makes sense there, Gracie?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, then it's fine. Okay, maybe go on that one of number 15, Gracie. Let's see if you're going to manage it. And then this will conclude our lesson for today. Can you be able to
Okay.
try that one, Gracie?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm done, sir.
Okay. Let me quickly get my pen. Did you not struggle with this one?
Not that much, sir.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, then it's fine. Let me do the okay. So now it's number 15, and then we have in 3x squared y minus 2 4. Okay. How did you work it out, Gracie?
So I took out 3y, sir. So I said 3y. Open brackets. X squared minus 81.
Okay.
So, then I started, I said 3y, x squared, open x squared, minus 9 squared.
Okay.
And I said 3y, bracket x, minus 9,
Okay.
close bracket, open bracket, x plus 9.
Yes. Yes, 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 yes. This is exactly how you work it out, Gracie. So, do you now have an idea of how these things work, Grace?
Yes, sir.
Good, goodest. I think when we continue on our next lessons, I will therefore take you through the next question, starting from that one of number 16. But I think what you still need to do more, it is this part of the taking out of the common factor. Maybe when you do, having to do some complicated stuff where you have to take out some things as common factor. But otherwise, it's fine, Gracie. I'm preparing for the next lessons, but any questions from your side before I run away?
No, sir.
Okay, 100% Grace. Until we meet again.